Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. So if you've ever noticed when you're in your chat window, there is a little timestamp down in the corner that shows you when you or the person that you're talking with read that message. Now that goes both ways. They can also see when you read the message, even if you don't respond to it. Now, you may want to turn that off if you're like me and I read messages but don't respond to them right away and don't necessarily want them to know that it's been an hour since I've responded to them. You can turn that off in the settings. So we're just going to back out of this message, go into our settings, and we're just going to scroll down to where it says privacy. Click on that. And as we scroll down through here, you'll see read receipts. And right now that's toggled on. Now, if we toggle that off, now they can't see when I read their messages. However, it goes both ways. You now can't see when they read your messages. So now any new messages that are being sent are going to have that timestamp taken off of there for both parties. And that's it. That's how you turn off your read receipts in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.